Unpack and confirm that the parts are complete. Step 1. Unfold the frame. Unfold the folded frame and fix the bayonet on the vehicle. The battery is in the middle of the frame. The folding frame can be unlocked just by pressing the button. Raise the head tube. Adjust the angle, make the handlebars and wheels perpendicular to each other. Put down the head tube. Tighten the set screws. Then raise the head tube, and press the wrench. When folding, just gently pull up the button, and then break off the handle. Open the corresponding handle to adjust the handlebar height and front, rear angle. Fasten them before you long press the power on button on the handlebar to start the electric power assistance, and press the lighting button to turn on the front and rear lights. Step 2. Install the pedal. Take out the foot pedal. L is the left foot pedal, R is the right foot pedal. Install the left and right pedals on both sides of the crank, and tighten them to the front wheel with an open-ended wrench. Press the foot inward to fold it. Step 3. Install the saddle. Install the saddle onto the seat. Insert the seat into the riser beyond the minimum safety line. And then tighten the seat for quick disassembly. Step 4. Install the bell. Install the bell on the handlebar and screw it down. Finally, check the tightness of the brake. If the brake rubs against the wheel, adjust it by adjusting the screw. So far, the installation is completed. If you have any questions, please contact us.